Hello friends, today we will learn some background properties in CSS. They allow you to control the background of any element. With this property we can set the background image or color or position. Okay. In our previous example we learned that background color property. With the help of that we can fill the color, like here in this code. My background color, I use RGB code here. Either you may use RGB code or you may type the color name, and that output will appear here. Okay, when I will change the RGB color here, first R is more, now G I am giving a, now save, then it will come in the green effect. Okay, then first two for R, second two for G, and then B. Here I am giving suppose 88 on the same pattern like R, then this color will appear. Okay, so you may use RGB code or you may use the color name, like here H1 H2 we gave the color, or in our previous example in the previous video that we use the color name. Okay, so with the help of this background color we can change the color of our page. Now the next is our background image. This property sets a specific image as a background image for the body element. By default, that background image will appear on the left hand side, top left corner from that, and it will repeat horizontally and vertically. For a background image, I am changing here on the place of this color because I am setting the background image. Okay, then use background image, then your colon sign, URL, where is your file. Okay, that URL we have to specify here. For URL I am just selecting the picture from my gallery. Here I am that P1 image, I am taking this one. Now how to find out the path? Then right click here, open with your any browser you may select. I am selecting IE. Okay, so in the IE that appears here, the complete path, select this path with file name. Either you may open in the browser and set this, otherwise you may type also. Okay, I'm just copy this and go on the notepad file. Okay, here I'm pasting that path. Okay, and change this slash symbol. Okay, by default that backslash appear here. Now when we are using this HTML code, then use / with your file name. Okay, in the inverted code. Now save this and refresh our browser window. This is our browser. Now that's not appear here. Okay, this one slash forward here. Now refresh, so that image appear here. Okay, I'm just doing this, then we can scroll. If I reduce the size, that you can see that repeat my image. Okay, because that size is only 274 by 184. Okay, that's why it's repeating here. And if you want to avoid this repetition, you want to display the image only one time. Okay, then again you can give here the another property of this. type here background dash repeat colon sign, give the value no repeat. And this, okay, you may use no repeat or you may use repeat x, repeat y. Okay, by default that's repeat. Okay, that's yes. Okay, the value of this background repeat property is by default repeat, that's why it's repeating here. Now go on here, refresh your browser. So look here, that display only one time. Okay, now it's by default come on the left top corner. I want to display this on the center. Okay, so for that give background position in the notepad. Here I am giving background position, then colon sign top center. Okay, now refresh this. Okay, then our image come in the center. Okay, then you can give here top center. Okay, now the next is background attachment. For that I am reducing this. Now look the output in the browser window. What is happening here? When I am scrolling the window, then my image is also scroll. Okay, by default that image goes up or down with the text. Okay, I want to fix my this image. I want to rotate only my text. Okay, not the image. For that purpose we will go in the attachment, background attachment property. There are two possible values in the background attachment. One is fixed and second one is scroll. Okay, I'm typing here background attachment colon scroll. Okay, now see what will happen in our code. I am just refreshing this. Now I am scrolling my text here, then it's scroll. Okay, now here on the place of scroll I am giving here fixed. Now refresh this. Now scroll. Now my text is scrolling, my image is fixed. Okay, that's not scrolling. My image is fixed but my text is scrolling. Okay, why? Because here I am giving the fixed background attachment fixed. Got it? If you give the fixed value, then it will stick on the page and your scroll will move when you move your cursor. Okay, now next is text property. Text properties control the appearance of the text on a web page. The first one is text align. This property is generally applied on H1P or TH tag. Okay, just simply a block of text. Okay, it is used to set the horizontal alignment of the text inside a one block. The first property is your color. Like here in the H1 we gave the color. Okay, in H2 H3. Okay, we assign here color. With the help of this property, we can set the color of our text, like here h1, h2, h3. Okay. Next, here we can give alignment. Suppose I want h1 in the center alignment. Okay. So we can type here text colon center and semicolon. Now run this, refresh. So your h1 text align center. Okay, with the help of this text align property. Okay, now possible values are here: left, right, center, justified. Okay, whatever alignment you want, you can set here. Pass the value. Here I pass the center, and you can pass left, right, or justified. Now the next is text decoration. This property specify the decoration like your underline, overline, okay, blank. Like here I want to set my h2 with underline. So I typed here text decoration colon underline. Now see, save this and refresh. So my h2 tag on the both place, that's underline. Okay. Now the next is text transform. With the help of that, you can change your text in the capital to lower or lower to capital or capitalized. Okay, like here S3, in the S3 I gave text in this format. First letter is capital, okay, of every word. Now I want text uppercase. Okay, I want to display my S3 text in the upper letter. Okay, I am not typed here in the upper. Okay, now refresh this. Now look here, this line is in the uppercase, the whole line. Okay, but I didn't type here capital in this line. Okay, we use with the help of this text transform uppercase, my text is converted into the uppercase. Okay, if you want the lower case, then you can use here lower case, the value lowercase, then the whole line converted into the lowercase. Okay, and the capitalize, the next value that I already gave here, capitalized means every word, first letter of every word will be capital. Okay, or the fourth one is none. There are 4 possible values in this transform. Now with the help of text shadow property, add shadow around the text. This feature may not be supported by all the browser. Okay, like here in the S3 or in the S2 I am giving this text shadow, text shadow colon sign the value. Okay, I want horizontally, add shadow. Now refresh this. Here text shadow, add shadow we are giving here. Now refresh this. As such, no effect apply here. Okay, but that can be work on the some browser. Okay, possible values are H shadow and V shadow. Okay, or you can give the color. Now the next is indent. With the help of text indent property, specify the indentation of the first line of your text. Okay, where you are using, suppose I am using here in the S3. Okay, either you may give in the pixels or you may give the in the percentage. Okay, I am giving here 100 pixels. Okay, space in the starting of this S3 tag. Okay, here on the third line. Now save this, and this was my previous output. Okay, my this line start from here. Now refresh this, so that start from 100 pixels. Okay, that space comes with the help of text indent property. Text indent property. Okay, if you want to reduce, I am giving here 50 pixels. Now that is start from here. Now refresh, then it shifted. Okay, so with the help of that you can set your first line start from which position. Either you may use pixel or you may use the percentage. Now the next word break. Okay, the word break property specify the line breaking rules. Here I use the break all. You may use keep all or normal. There's 3 possible values of this property. Okay, and at present we are not having any paragraph or such, that no effect will apply here. Now the next is your line height. Moving this, I am giving line height. Line height, either you may give the number or you may give any percentage. Okay, I am giving here number, simply 10. Okay, this is our output, previous output. Now refresh this. Now that spacing increase. Okay, I passed on the S3 tag, so let's give that much space. Okay, in the line. Either you may use this number or you may use the percentage also. Okay, I am giving here suppose 5 only. Then look here, that will reduce. Okay, so with the help of this you can set your line height. Okay, so these are the properties of your text.